G'day guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm telling you how to use Bloom Trading Bot for Solana, a Telegram-based tool that's perfect for sniping tokens and automating trades on this lightning-fast blockchain. It's packed with features and I'll walk you through it step by step. Guys, first you'll need Telegram. Open it up and search for Bloom Solana Bot. So let us do that. Okay, so here it is. So it's precisely Bloom Solana underscore bot. You can just press on start and it will pick you up and start working. Right, after that guys, you need to use the bot and create a new Solana wallet for you. When it shows your private key, copy it and store it somewhere secure, like a password manager, then delete the message from your chat. This helps your funds safe. After that, next you will need Solana in your wallet to trade and cover fees. In Bloom, go to the Wallets menu, select your new wallets and copy its address. Head to a exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Withdraw Solana to that address. Start with a small amount like 0.5 Solana to test. Once it lands, you're ready to roll. Okay, so the Bloom's killer feature is sniping, which is grabbing new tokens the second they launch. Type /sniper in the chat or pick it up from the menu. Paste the token's contract address. You can find these on X or DEX Screener for hyped launches. Set your buy amount, like 1 Solana for example, and slippage 50% or higher for volatile meme coins. Hit activate and Bloom will buy as soon as liquidity hits. Want to trade hands-free? Use AFK mode. Type /AFK or find it in the menu. Set your rules, buy amount, market cap limit, or liquidity threshold. For example, buy 0.2 Solana of tokens under a $50,000 cap. Activate it and Bloom trades for you 24/7. It's perfect for catching opportunities while you're offline. Fast manual trades, use quick buy and sell, drop a contract address in the chat, pick buy, after that sell, set your amount of Solana and confirm, it's instant. To sell, same deal. Paste the address, choose sell, pick your percentage like 50% and hit go. Check your wallet after to see the results. And that's how you use Bloom Trading Bot for Solana, sniping, automating or quick trades, all from Telegram. Let me know how your experience goes in the comments. Like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.